Nice show. My name is Nandino Naskov. Me and Easy be there for Inside Studio. Our phone numbers are on Tetwa TV. Make you begin the color so that you go chook mouth on top of the topic we discuss this evening. That's how language you do. Hello, who on the line?
Hello, this is Tony from Kwara State.
Tony, are you with me?
I am with you.
Rapture not carry you?
Rapture never carry me. I see the Kwara.
Pẹ̀lẹ́ o.
Lefa.
Tony, this is what they discuss. If not you, what you go do?
If to be saying me, I go continue enjoying my contract with you.
Not be with me, not enjoy with, not be with me.
What is it?
Hey, you go and continue enjoy the contract with the babe.
I be now.
The Lord will catch you, and you wait. Tony, you don't marry.
No, I never marry. Or if you say I don't marry,
you go see.
I go continue.
As long as the money they enter, the guy say, I go continue.
Yeah, I will continue.
I see DJ.
Yes, Baba, I did fine, Jerry. Good evening.
How you doing now?
Baba, we gallant.
I enjoy your flow.
Baba, it's more, Baba.
That is true now.
Yes, boss.
Hi, Tony. Thank you very much. Good night.
Thank you, bye.
Hello, Felix from Benin. Plenty people Rapture never carry them.
Hello, good evening.
Felix, are you with me?
I am with you.
Rapture never carry you.
No, I can never carry you. You went to say I see your poster for fire that day.
Yeah.
I see your poster for fire that day now.
I reject it in Jesus' name.
I see your poster for fire. What is the word you?
But wait, Felix.
The poster, he didn't devil.
But wait, Felix, what did carry you go there?
No, I got the pass. I got see the poster for there.
You the pass, now you can't see him. Okay, answer this question. Who if now you be that man, what do you go do?
I don't want to tell you that.
The guy knows how one catch. Yeah, it's sharp guy, Felix. Oh yeah, good night. Hello.
Yeah, take off.
Hello. Who there on the line? From Bayelsa, good evening.
Yeah, Nedu.
My brother, are you with me?
I there with you, Mbog.
My brother,
Yeah,
well, Rapture never carry you.
I'm with you. Rapture never carry me.
Oh yeah, now answer me. If now you be that man, what do you go do?
If I be that man, what thing I go do?
TV so loud.
Hello.
I dey hear you now. If now you be the man, your TV dey too loud. I know just want cut you. But if now you be that man, what do you go do?
The Bible even talk and say, "He that find a wife and find a good thing."
If you can't find person wife,
are you hearing me? If that find a wife and find a good thing,
yes,
and obtain favor from the Lord,
yes.
so my wife will be okay for me.
Okay.
So hello.
Emmanuel, I dey hear you.
Yeah, and even though that kind of thing happen, say some people say, they go carry wrong wife for in the name of wife. That's why you don't need to rush.
If now you can't carry Emmanuel, wait, Pastor. If now you can't carry the wrong wife, and can't see the one where can't give you good luck, you go continue the contract.
I just like at least for once.
And then the contract go enter, you go continue.
And for just for once now, you do it for once.
You guys agree say good do. Emmanuel, thank you. Good night. Oh, Debo, baby.
Hello.
Debo, honey.
Nezu, how are you doing?
Debo, are you a tomato or dry tomato?
Fresh tomato.
Debo, are you with me? I am with you, my sister in the Lord.
I'm with you. Easy, how are you doing?
I'm fine, Deborah. Good evening.
Good evening.
Debo. Oh, now this fresh tomato way say you be now. You should not carry shika on you be. Anyway, hello, who there on the line? Hello? Anyway, make we go on top Twitter. In case you just join us, what we discuss this evening for the next show. Now, the matter when you say concern, one man when you say don't marry, but since the guy married as a contractor, business is not the rolling like that. Contract not they come like that. And this guy, they're very faithful to his wife. They mistakenly, not be say he in a clear eye it take happen. The guy can't sleep with one girl. I sleep with that girl. Now so contract from left, right, and center. Those who don't forget them before self begin call am say make you come take contract. The guy even shock. Now person wey can't go meet, come the tell person, almost see wetin dey happen. And the person that say, now one you meet one babe. Say now one babe, so that particular babe where you do something with. Say now the babe, now they bring all this good luck. Now the question will come they ask, if now you be that man, you go continue the minister to that girl when you say you get wife for house, so that more good luck will they come, or you go cut the girl and take the good luck once. Then when you finish, you go back to square one. What do you go do if now you be the man? Anyway, on top Twitter, make it send us tweet messages. And then our phone numbers there on top of your TV and make you know what you think on top the matter. From Mina, good evening. Hello?
Edu, good evening.
Sister in the Lord, how is you?
I'm fine, thank you.
Are you with me on this issue?
I'm with you. Tell Izzy BT I love him.
Hey, Izzy BT, in the here, you tell him. Call his name. Call his name, then make you tell him.
Izzy BT say me, I love him.
In the here,
I love you too.
Now, man.
Nedu.
Why you laugh like that? Why you laugh like this?
Waiting you do those people when they beat you that day. I beg.
Nothing, no. I not do anything, no.
Now, like, he do something. He too they look for their trouble.
You know, I not
He too they look for their trouble. He go come compound. He go park the way he like. He go talk to Kesulu anyhow.
You
and
deserve
that everybody be made.
Your mouth they run like tap.
Kesulu he can't do more than a dead rat.
You see him now. You see him now.
They will beat you more. My hand no day.
Nothing. You see my face? And you see any wound for my face?
Tell him make you show him back.
Show me your back.
Make I put my clothes
Double clothes they wear.
Eh?
Since that day, a double clothes they wear. Turn your back, make you see.
Okay, nothing happen. Tomorrow I no go wear double clothes. I go wear one. So I go people my church. You go see my 6-pack.
They do good night.
Good night, Sandra. Kesulu, if you don't show yourself now, you can't do anything. You know, say you not fit do anything. I go holler back at your spirit. Kesulu, I'll personally make sure you don't make heaven. Anyway, hello. Philip.
Hello.
How is you, my brother in the Lord?
Good evening, Yedu.
Are you with me?
I am with you, Yedu.
Philip, are you married?
No.
If now you be this man, what do you go do? You go continue or you go stop?
You do this one a simple thing. Now you also take her as a second wife. Nothing more.
Philip
the para.
You the para.
Philip the vex.
Now,
wait, you don't Matthew.
eh?
You say na you for.
If not me,
If na you for.
I don't commit sin.
No, be sin no. In as far as say the flow they come inside. That is all.
So as long as that money they enter, not be sin. Who be that?
The thing that they just carry as a second wife, that is all.
Who be that person that laugh like Karishika?
No, my sister.
All right, Philip, thank you very much. Good night. Hello. Who there on the line? Okay, before I take another call, easy bit. Now you be that man. What you go do? Talk true. Talk true. Easy bit. Not tell me.
No,
it
I'm not
depends.
gonna tell you it depends. I go talk through. First of all, see the way everybody already talks and say, we go give in, we go do like this. And now, you don't tidy this babe, now contract can come. You never ask yourself, say, okay, wait
first. Hello?
Hello.
Good. Sly.
Yeah, how far?
Are you with me?
I am with you.
Sly.
Only one.
Sly, where you dey come? You don't come back to Delta?
I come better. I come see better.
When you enter?
I enter yesterday. Only.
Are you sure?
Very, very sure. Get us out.
Hey! Hey!
Why they shot?
Hey!
Rapture
carry you from there, come back.
Go there.
Now Rapture misplace you. Drop you for Delta.
Rapture don't carry me enter heaven.
Don't carry good data.
I just call you for.
Wait, Delta, Sly, you don't strike for Italy?
Not fly from Italy.
Now they ask you, you don't strike for Italy?
That's fly from Italy.
Now they ask you now, that work where they do for Italy, where we know, you don't strike?
They do. Yeah, what people will die. Look at you. I just tell you.
Anyway, Sly, if na you, what you go do?
Maybe you don't know every.
Eh?
After that, people will not bother. Nah, Kubaji will nothing do you. You can't go more and more.
Now to the chop they go.
Nah, your baby girls they well. Anything they ask you that can you say, baby, what do you want? You wake up in the morning, you stand for us, you call and say, babe, what's up? What do you want? She will tell you, deliver, make sure you go. You go write your thing for them, no contract.
Okay, Sly, thank you very much. Good night. Hello.
Hello?
Prince from Lagos.
Yeah.
My brother, how is you? Are you with him, eh?
I'm seriously with you.
Prince, if now you be this guy, what do you go do?
What I go do? You don't tell me I'm a better Christian now.
In Agwabiati.
I'm a better Christian now.
What do you go
I don't go. I don't wipe am once. My way don't bring me better bean. I go free am.
As long as you don't wipe them once, you agree say you wipe them, and you're a better Christian.
I agree now. I agree.
And then once
I go leave am.
then you can't stop.
Continue to go like that. The thing go to sweet you. And I want to how do they sweet you? They kick.
Anyway, Prince, thank you very much.
And I'm gonna get better night.
You too get better evening. Double toilet to all of you we call us on top of our phone lines. And then for those of you we on top Twitter, double toilet to all of you as well. Easy bit to be the one answer quick before we carry come off.
No, so most people talk since they go do. Because now you don't do. You never ask yourself, say, how? Why? We think this girl go want to return. You could just come out one day now, the next thing even your wife will tell you, say, go ahead. What if you just come out one day say, baby, I'm not sure see me and you go visit this house again. But I carry your load do your waka.
Hey, now you go marry that one now.
Then what you go come put her? And she support you since they say, they do. So I'm not gonna do. Say I use mistakenly the first one. Now they end. That's all.
You know my answer already. Me, I'm not gonna lie. Easy Beat is a liar. I put it to you, you're a liar.
So you know.
In fact, you are a liarist. I put it to you. But me, I not go do. People who not say go do. K Solo go do.
So you don't start.
K Moss go do.
You don't start.
Anyway,
the beat they go beat it.
all of you that we call us for the full show this night. Thank you very much. Thank God say rapture never happened to them. But now Allah and Agbef now I don't know whether rapture truly happened to them. Anyway, till tomorrow, good night.
If you know, just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.
As we carry the go.